Siberian miner's lettuce, also known as candyflower or pink purslane. It's a great lettuce or spinach substitute, and it is chock full of vitamin A and C. This is a green that likes to grow in moist, rich soil and open to shady woods. Every part of this green, from the stems to the leaves to the flowers, are edible, and the taste is very similar to beetroot or spinach. Siberian miner's lettuce, leek, and potato soup. This is a perfect, hearty, and creamy soup. So the first thing that I'm doing is cutting up my leek, and I'm only using the light green and white part of the leek. Leeks are very dirty, so you have to wash them. I'll be soaking it in water for about 5 minutes and just agitating the leeks to get all of the dirt off. I'm taking one onion and I am dicing it up. And I have 2 potatoes and I am cutting those into chunks as well to boil. I have 4 cloves of garlic that I am cutting up. And on a medium-high heat, I am heating up some olive oil to cook the onions and the garlic until they are translucent. After the onions and the garlic have cooked, I'm taking my leek and I am going to be cooking that as well. After that, I'm going to be adding my vegetable stock. I did not have the packaged variety. Instead, I have the powdered kind, so I'm just taking a little bit of that hot water and mixing in the appropriate amount of vegetable stock. This is about 3 cups worth of vegetable stock. And then I'm adding the vegetable stock back in so I can stir it all together. We're going to bring this mixture to a boil, and then we're going to add our potatoes to boil until soft. After about 20 minutes, I am taking the Siberian miner's lettuce and I am adding all of it in, the flowers, the stems, and the leaves. I'm going to leave this to boil for about 4 minutes until soft. And then I'm taking about half of this mixture and I'll be blending that until smooth. Just remembering to leave the top part of the blender open to allow the hot steam to come out. I am covering it loosely with a cloth and just blending it until it's all nice and creamy. Now doing the other half. After everything has been blended, you want to take about 1.5 cups of, this is 3% milk, you can also use cream, and I'm also taking 3/4 a tub of sour cream and combining it again with the same method, taking a little bit of the hot mixture and mixing the sour cream in with a whisk to ensure it's smooth before combining it into the whole pot so I have no clumps. And I'm taking some rosemary and thyme and adding that into the soup. Just leaving it to simmer for a few minutes. And there you go. Siberian miner's lettuce soup with leek and potato. toasted walnut and goat cheese salad. This is a lovely bright salad with radishes, cranberries, toasted walnuts, and goat cheese. I've taken some arugula and other greens from my garden, and I am just breaking those into smaller chunks by hand. And then I'm taking my Siberian miner's lettuce, and I'm actually only taking the leaves. And I am thinly slicing the radishes. I'm taking those radish greens and also adding them to the salad. I found that even a quarter of one red onion was too much, so I would probably put in an eighth. And then I'm going to take a quarter of an apple and thinly slice it and put it in the salad as well. I have about a 1/4 cup of walnuts that I am going to be toasting and crushing to put in the salad. To make the salad dressing, I am making a simple salad dressing with garlic, lemon, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and Dijon mustard, putting it into a mason jar and just shaking it to combine it. Adding that to my salad and tossing it. Next we have the goat cheese, the toasted walnuts, and the cranberries. Fun, easy, simple dishes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy foraging!